This month we are excited to offer our beautiful Valentine's Day kit love letters in our Shabby Chic Treasures box. So wrapped nicely in this beautiful tulle and lace with these jewel charms, you'll receive an actual 1930s envelope and love letter in French cursive handwriting, along with some graphic 45 cutouts. We've got some paper doilies, some resin rhinestones, and these are just the different variations of the kits. So you will receive one of these kits whenever you make your purchase. This is our Shabby Chic Treasures box and our curated kits section of our website, and you can use the code GRAND20. That will save you 20%, and also you will receive 2 8.5 by 11 sheets of peach dyed paper. So it's tea stained peach dyed paper, and that will complement this kit very beautifully with a copy of with an actual vintage love letter. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, you can go to danagirlsdesigns.com, use the code GRAND20 to save 20% off your order. Thanks so much.